Hello guys, welcome to the playlist on transformation of graphs. Now, in this playlist, in this video, it's just a introductory video explaining on parent functions. So this is just mainly for notes and mainly for you guys to screenshot it or write it down in your notebook or whatever you guys want to do. And here are 8 different types of functions that I want you guys to get comfortable with. So we have the first one, which is a linear function. F of x equals to mx plus b, or we can say y equals to mx plus b, either one. And a linear function looks like this. This has a positive slope. It can have a negative slope that's going down like this. And also we can have a constant slope, a constant function where it's just a line like this, such that y equals to b. And we went over that when we was doing vertical and horizontal lines. We have an identity function, and the identity function is y equals x. Y equals x. If x is 1, y is 1. If x is 2, y is 2. It's a perfect linear function going through the origin. Now here comes the shape of a quadratic function, which we call a parabola. A parabola makes the U shape. A cubic function makes kind of a, shape like this, squiggly line. And the purpose of this video is for you to understand and kind of memorize and kind of learn how each function looks. Now, here's the square root function. Square root function, remember, the index is 2. And this is how the square root function looks when you graph it. This is a cubic function, a cube root function. The cube root function has an index of 3. It looks like this. You have the absolute value function. It looks like a V. And then we have a reciprocal function, which we call a rational function. A basic rational function. And we'll learn about rational functions in the last lecture of the semester. So, in this video, in this playlist, I want you guys to really focus on the following functions that I'm going to highlight to you. It is essential that you know about a parabola, a cube function, a square root function, and an absolute value function. Those are the 4 functions I want you guys to really pay close attention to, and especially the quadratic function, because the week after this we're going to be learning about the applications of quadratic functions. Alright guys, that is it to this introductory video on the parent graphs of functions. Like I said, if you need to, pause the video, screenshot it, write it down. Also, write the table down as well. That's also on the side. And whenever you guys are ready, you can go to the next video. Till then, I'll see you soon.